You're watching a quick guide on how to buy shares of Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, the cruise operator behind major passenger ships. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NCLH, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NCLH to find the company listing. Confirm you select Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings from the search results. On the stock page, review the company summary and examine the price chart to see recent movement. Make sure the page clearly displays Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings and the ticker NCLH. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description.